Have you ever heard of the Feldenkrais method? If not, let me ask you this. Are you curious about how you learn? The Feldenkrais method is a unique and practical approach to improving your abilities. Not by force or repetition, but through awareness and movement. Whether it's enhancing your everyday actions or refining a specialized skill, this method helps you discover new ways to move and act with greater ease and efficiency in your life. Over time, we all develop habits, patterns of movements, ways of thinking, or even how we respond to stress. These habits can be useful, but they may also limit us without us even realizing it. The Feldenkrais method offers you a chance to explore these patterns, become aware of them, and open up new possibilities for movement, learning, and living. A few years ago, we had an idea. Create a 12-week summit showcasing the range of applications of the method. We have found specialists around Europe and the US who use the strategies of the method in really interesting ways and in specific domains. There will also be an animation capturing the essence of Feldenkrais and a marathon of lessons. 63 lessons in English and 63 lessons in French. That's one lesson every day of the week from Monday to Friday over 12 weeks. The event lasts 12 weeks, so we'll cover 12 applications of the method. Each Saturday there will be a live event that will feature a conference, short documentaries and Q&As. Each Sunday we'll rebroadcast the event with subtitles in French or in English, depending on the language used on the Saturday conference. And then, from Monday to Friday, you're invited to experience a series of movement lessons centered around the week's topic. Sessions take place at 5:30 in English and at 6:30 in French. Everything is live and online, so you can join from wherever you are in the world. If you're near Brussels, Aurillac or Paris, you can even join in person for one of the conferences at our center. All this is free. You just need to sign up with your email and you'll get a link to connect to all the events. So, visit our website, check out the schedule and speakers, and you'll find all the information and details you need there. It's starting on the 1st of February 2025, and we're excited to share the upcoming 12 weeks with you. If you know people, if you have friends or family or colleagues who might be interested by some of these domains of application of the Feldenkrais method, don't hesitate to share the information with them. See you soon.